Welcome to Manipur, a land of rich history and cultural heritage. In this ancient land, there exists a weapon that embodies the valor and skill of the Meitei cavalry soldiers, the Arambai. The Arambai, a dart weapon used by the Meitei cavalry soldiers, is a sight to behold. With its iron arrowhead, often poisoned, attached to the vibrant feathers of a peacock, it represents the deadly precision and speed of its wielder. Mounted on their loyal companions, the Manipuri ponies, these warriors would gallop with breathtaking speed, unleashing a storm of poisoned darts upon their enemies. Fast forward to 2005, a group of passionate Meitei youth sought to honor their heritage and preserve the traditions of their ancestors. Thus, the Arambai tenggol was born. At present, the organization is led by Manipur's titular king and Rajya Sabha MP, Shri Leshemba Sanajauba as the chairman, Kerao constituency MLA, Shri Rameshwore as the vice chairman, Kurilamlong MLA and minister, Shri L. Sushindro as the finance secretary, Mr. Korongamba Khuman as the commander-in-chief, and the chief minister of Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh as the overall chief. The Arambai tenggol embarked on a journey to safeguard their cultural legacy and promote tourism festivals. Through dedicated training programs, these young students are mastering the art of wielding the Arambai. They learn the intricacies of swirling the deadly darts and develop unparalleled accuracy and speed. The Arambai tenggol militias, proudly wearing their black uniform with the emblem of three warriors, stand united in their mission to preserve their heritage and uphold Meitei traditions. Supported by influential figures in Manipur's government, including the Chief Minister himself, the Arambai tenggol has gained recognition and significance in their pursuit. However, behind their overt objectives lies a secret ambition. The Arambai tenggol seeks not only to preserve their culture, but also to revive the ancient faith of Sana Mahi and establish a separate Meitei sovereign state. What started as a journey to celebrate heritage has taken an unexpected turn. On that fateful day, the 3rd of May, 2023, after the successful completion of the peace rally, violence erupted in Tobang when the Meiteis burned down the centenary gate of the Anglo-Kuki War and blazed fires from Pangwai. This is where the ethnic war started. And as chaos engulfed the land, the Arambai tenggol found themselves at the center of a storm. Startling evidence emerged, capturing the Arambai tenggol in collusion with the state police. A web of deception and power led to unthinkable actions. Kuki colonies in Imphal were mercilessly attacked, vandalized, and set ablaze by the Meiteis. The violence soon spread to Kuki villages along the foothills of the Imphal Valley. On the 4th of May, 2023, Manipur police teams, accompanied by Arambai tenggol members in their black shirts, can be seen marching towards hungkikhol, Imphal, which was later subjected to vandalism and arson. In yet another shocking video, two Arambai tenggol militia members proudly raised the Salatrit flag atop a burning church, symbolizing their perceived victory. These video clips provide a haunting testament to the involvement of the Arambai tenggol and the state police in the devastating events that unfolded. Arambai tenggol, originally established with the good intention of safeguarding and revitalizing the ancient Meitei culture and customs, unfortunately deviated from its noble purpose and became involved in perpetrating acts of ethnic violence. On 26th May, as reported by Imphal Free Press, it was announced that the Arambai tenggol had chosen to temporarily dissolve and halt all of its activities. Nevertheless, despite this decision, the disturbing trend of ongoing ethnic violence shows no signs of abating. Adding to the escalating tensions, A gunfight ensued between militants affiliated with the Arambai tenggol and the 37 Assam Rifles on 28 May at approximately 5:30 p.m. in Seru, Sugnu, Manipur. Shri N. Biren Singh, the Chief Minister, had woven a narrative that misled the masses. And the Arambai tenggol, once a symbol of cultural preservation, became an agent of chaos and devastation. As Manipur grapples with the aftermath of this tragedy, the true nature of the Arambai tenggol's establishment in 2005 is brought to light. The beauty of the Arambai tarnished, and the responsibility for the violence lies at the feet of those who wielded it.